Tejri from Chennai, India. Hope you all would have enjoyed my previous video, which is about how to take photographies at outdoors. Come, let's see the part 2 of it. So for the first one, I wore a black color frock or a top type. So come, let's see how the photos and videos are being portrayed. So for the second one, I wore a pink color frock. Along with that, I used two props, which is a pink flower, which is same matching to my dress, and a flower crown, which is also known as ancient Greece. Come, let's see how the photos and videos are being portrayed. If you guys are beginners, let me suggest you some quick and cool ideas on how to make videos at outdoors. So if you are using a phone to make videos at outdoors, I suggest you guys to take it in a landscape mode. Because when you have a good location or good background, then you can take the videos in landscape mode, which gives you more exposure to the surroundings and it gives a better quality to your video. Or else you can just tilt the phone upside down so that you will get a better exposure to your video and it adds more reality to your video. This is implemented when you don't have a better location or poor background. And that's it. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, comment and share. And don't forget to click the bell icon. Stay tuned for more updates. Thank you. Bye.